Chinese Coast Guard vessels striking again, using water cannons against Philippine ships near Bajo de Masinloc during a humanitarian mission for Filipino fisherfolk.
The Philippine Coast Guard condemned the incident as dangerous and rejected China's claims, maintaining the Philippines was operating within its own waters. IBC News correspondent Bea Peniza has the full details.
China Coast Guard vessels use water cannons anew against Philippine ships operating near Bajo de Masinloc this Friday morning. According to the Philippine Coast Guard, the BRP Cape San Agustin was on a humanitarian mission to deliver fuel subsidies to Filipino fisherfolk under the kadiwa ng Bagong Bayaning Mangingisda program when it was targeted by the water cannon operations. The BRP Dato Paduhinog, which was conducting a regular monitoring, control and surveillance mission, was also hit. The Coast Guard reported the presence of nearly 12 China Coast Guard vessels and 3 Chinese maritime militia ships in the area. The PCG has condemned the incident, describing China's action as unprofessional and dangerous. Several Chinese media outlets and officials claim that Philippine vessels are once conducting illegal activities. But this was launched by Rear Admiral J. Tariela, saying Bajo de Masinloc is part of the Philippines and that no amount of water cannons can wash away such truth. Meanwhile, Tariela also called out politicians who describe as Chinadors or pro-China. In an interview on 13 Mornings, Tariela said the public already knows who these politicians are.
Even without me calling out specifically sino tong tinatawag nila sa social media na Chinador, alam na nating lahat ito. Kilala nating lahat kung sino ang politiko na maka-China.
As China continues its action in the West Philippine Sea and alleged disinformation campaigns against the Philippines, the PCG maintained that Filipinos are not playing the victim. Responding to critics who accuse him of twisting facts, Tariela turned the argument back on China.
Alam mo, para sa akin, ang Chinese Embassy, kailangan nila na matinding tumbling para matwist ang facts natin. Anything that I posted sa social media, para sa akin, alam nating lahat to bilang Pilipino, totoo lahat to.
Bea Peniza, IBC News.